How are we, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Australian Outdoor Man. Today I'm going to do a bit of a cook up on the hot coals. I'm going to be using the camp oven, the cast iron camp oven. I'll show you guys the ingredients and how to make these little tasty treats. I'll show you how to cook them up. Stick around, you're going to enjoy it.
I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon.
Alrighty, so I'll run through the ingredients quickly, guys. We've got some chorizo sausages. Got some bacon, about 500 grams of bacon, 500 grams of a pork beef mince. That's a mix. You can get that straight from the shop, or you can just use pork or beef. It's up to you guys. A little bit of cheese, a few spices and herbs, a little bit of barbecue sauce. So I'll show you guys how to prepare these, to make them. I'll show you how to cook them. Well, quite simple, guys. All we want to do is just take the ends off our sausages, just like that. The trick here, all we want to do is just cut them about roughly the thickness of your thumb. So about 1 centimetre is fine. So we'll go through and chop all these up. We'll show you the next step. Alrighty, once you've chopped your chorizo up, just get your mince, put it into a bowl. This is what I usually add. You guys don't have to add this as well. So it's just a little bit of garlic powder in there. You can use fresh garlic. A little bit of onion powder as well. And also just a little bit of smoked paprika. So put that into the bowl. We'll give that a stir. I'll show you the next step. Alrighty, so next step, pretty much just lay your bacon out. You can do it two ways. You can either get your mince, sort of roll them up like that, put them together. All you want to do is just a nice little roll it up nice and tight. Once you've done that, put your toothpick through there and just push your mince down, just like that. I might put another toothpick in at the top of here. And that's it, so that's the start of it. So I'll go through, I'll do that to all of these. I'll show you the next step. Alrighty, we've got the last one here. You alright, kookaburras? Bit noisy today. We've got the last one we'll roll up here. So what we're going to do is we'll bang these in to the camp oven, which we're going to get that preheated. So that's it. That's all of them there. Straight into the camp oven. It's been preheating. I'll show you how to do that. Alrighty, that should be a pretty good bed of coals for the base. So I'll just put that in there, let that preheat for about 15-20 minutes, and we'll put these pork shots straight into it. Alrighty, that should be... Alrighty, just put them straight in, just like that. Come back in 20 minutes, we'll see what they're like. We'll put that lid on, put some hot coals on him. So I usually do about 50-50 with the hot coals, a few on top, a few on the bottom. So these are brilliant, these little pork shots. I see you just need a bit of chorizo, sausage, your bacon and a little bit of mince, roll them up. Pretty much once these are cooked, we're going to throw a bit of barbecue sauce on top, a couple of bits of cheese, put them in there for about another 5-10 minutes till they melt. I'll show you what they look like. It's funny, I'm out the back doing a bit of a cook up. I hear this strange noise. Couldn't figure out what it was, where it's coming from. And look over here. I've got the wife's out here cutting some wood. I think she's a bit of a keeper. What are you doing? No, I'm just trying to film a cook up.
Can you hear me?
Yeah. There you go. Let's have a look. What have we got here? There we go. Beautiful. So pretty much here, all we're going to do, a little bit of barbecue sauce on top of these bad boys. Like I said, I'm just using that Stubbs hickory, which is beautiful. But barbecue sauce on them. Once they're done, you just throw your cheese on top. Cheese on top, I'll cover that up. Give that another 5 or 10 minutes. I'll put some nice fresh coals, hot coals, on the lid. We'll see how we go, eh? Alrighty, let's have a quick check. Ah, it's perfect. Oh, that's looking good. Beautiful. Alrighty, there you go, guys. That's what I call pork shots. Have a look at that. Just remember, before you eat them, don't forget to take out your toothpick. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.
Make me work, make me sweat inside, make me feel like I'm alive. Take this hurt, lady, throw it in my face. Don't let these bones slow you down. 'Cause I'm coming on strong, grass should have looked greener. I need true